Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Grammarly for stronger LinkedIn writing and editing, complete guide step by step clearly. In the address bar, type www.grammarly.com and press enter. Once the Grammarly homepage loads, look for the Get Grammarly Free button and click on it. You'll be prompted to create an account. You can sign up using your email address, Google account, or Facebook account. If you choose to use your email address, fill in the required fields and set a password. After completing the form, click Sign Up. Once you've signed up, check your email for a verification link from Grammarly. Click on the link to verify your email address. Return to the Grammarly website and log in with your new account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the pricing section located in the top menu. Review the subscription options available. Grammarly offers several plans, including free and premium versions. For stronger LinkedIn writing, the premium plan is recommended. Click on the Get Started or Upgrade button under the premium option. You'll be taken to a payment page. Fill in your payment details as required. Before finalizing your subscription, review the terms and conditions. After subscribing, you'll receive a confirmation email regarding your new plan. Return to your Grammarly dashboard to explore tools and features. To integrate Grammarly with LinkedIn, install the Grammarly browser extension. Visit the Chrome Web Store or your browser's extension store. Search for Grammarly and click Add to Chrome or the corresponding button for your browser. Follow the prompts to complete the installation of the extension. Once installed, log in with your Grammarly account if prompted. Now, whenever you write or edit posts on LinkedIn, Grammarly will automatically provide suggestions. Make sure to check your writing for clarity, grammar, and spelling errors with Grammarly's assistance. You're now ready to enhance your LinkedIn writing with Grammarly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.